Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4, and this summer it can't make up its mind, man. One day it's absolutely scorching, and another day you got to have your hoodies on. What have we got today? We've got a Volkswagen Amarok, an oldie but a goldie. We can definitely see this is a work ute. It has some signs of some heavy work over the years. What we're doing to it today is we're going to get one of our manual roller shutters fitted on this bad boy today. Should be pretty straightforward. We'll go through the assembly, we'll go through the fitment, and we'll get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this manual roller shutter on this 2H series Volkswagen Amarok. So while we have it, we may as well go through the operation of it very quickly. Very straightforward. All you do is pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, it will go into its unlocked mode. It's going to roll all the way forward. If you didn't want it to go all the way, you've got a controller underneath this handle as well. So I'll turn that clockwise. It's going to engage the catching mechanism so I can stop it halfway like so. You've got a couple of locking positions. You've got fully open, you've got about a quarter open, you've got halfway like so, and then you've got fully closed as well. Very, very straightforward. In this particular case, it did not have a sports bar that needed to be refitted, but if you've got a sports bar, you can get it refitted with our OEM sports bar adapter kits that are available as well. If you liked the video, give us a like. If you want to leave a comment, please don't hesitate. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get one. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.